when I was young, as small as I be, I noticed the difference between our Igbo neighbors and the rest of us of the North. And the difference is say every year, every 2 years, I dey see one young boy go come from east, come join the shop of my neighbor. And they will first say the boy na apprentice. And I go see apprentice, he go there for 1 year, 2 years. The next thing when you go do, we say apprentice will go get his own shop. And apprentice will go carry another apprentice. And in my young life, from the age of say 6 years old to 10, from seeing only a few Igbo shops, the whole area. And then some apprentices will even go to another area, start on your own. And I've attended so many passing out ceremonies. We say they go carry money, say they go pray for them, they go carry money, give her, they go give her everything, and they go what go do. There's no other place in the community culture where that is a serious business. And that is how Igbos are sustaining the whole of this country. If every youth in this country get a chance to be apprenticed to somebody and to get fairness in being released and supported, I think you don't finish. You don't finish. And by the time we remove hunger, we remove joblessness, we remove feeling of disrespect in the heart of men, man is free. Because we that are men, we hate to beg for food. I always say it, biggest problem of this country, we say, in my own opinion, people will say insecurity, people will say it's lack of housing, people will say lack of job. No. The biggest problem of this country, in my own opinion, is that Baboon they work. If we allow the person that made the biggest contribution to be the one that eats the biggest meat, and so that you can leave the smaller meat for the people that are not making contribution, because you know what will happen if you are making biggest contribution in the community in terms of business, in terms of creating jobs, in terms of running your shop or whatever, and the system allows you to be the one that your people will see. Because children when they hear, they don't listen to what you say. Children they watch what you do. And if they see that he's a trader, he's the doctor, he's the engineer, he's the welder, he's all those people that are living well. What do you think they want to be when they grow up?
They would like to be like that.
They would like to be like that. And the more the future generation are choosing the right path, the better for our nation. I hope you get what I'm saying. So if we can stop the politician from getting the biggest money, if we can stop the kidnapper from making 200 million in 1 day, if we can stop the Yahoo boy from being the one that is riding big car in the community, right? And allow the people that are working hard to be the ones that are making money. Because the community will fix.
They will have had it off. And you know, we will see here, we don't promise and fail. When we say we are going to support you, it's you that we are going to support. You see, this party we are talking about, PDP and APC, we have seen how they work, we have seen their activities, we have seen now their abilities in helping their subjects in carrying the country along. Like this of recent, let me say the APC government, this one that's about to expire. We have followed them. They gave us the courage. They give us a lot of promises. And as Igbos, we know we are heading towards one. Any party that says we are following, that is the party we will follow, both men and women. So whatever we decide to do here, we do it in a corporate way. We don't betray ourselves. We don't go back and begin to backbite ourselves. Whatever we say here in the meeting is final.